Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is video number 10 of our beautiful Bengal Fest. So here we are showing Bengal tussars. We've already shown them in one video. If you've missed it out, please go back and watch our video number 9. We are here at video number 10 showing very beautiful Bengal tussar saris. These are literally Pratha's very popular, one of the most popular collections, and now for this fest we have got a very wide range of designs. Some of them are here for the first time. These designs, we've not gotten these made before this. We've not shown these sarees in any of our videos as yet. So yes, this is it. It's a beautiful military green kind of a color, and it has this rust border. It's a very beautiful floral motif running along, and this is the pallu. Bengal tussars are sarees which you can wear for any of your office, corporate events, formal events, dinner parties. You can wear them for smaller events like an inauguration function or a small puja. You can wear them for lunch meets, brunch meets. So these are very versatile sarees, and they are perfect for summers because these sarees are so light, they are so easy to drape. You can also wear nice crop top type blouses, t-shirt style blouses with these sarees. You can wear sleeveless blouses, and these sarees can be even more comfortable for you to carry for a longer time. So yes, this is the next one, a gorgeous yellow, red and black. It's the perfect set of colors put in together. So yes, this is it. It's not exactly black. It is a deep charcoal gray or a charcoal shade of black. That's how I will describe this color. So yes, this is it. If you like any of these sarees, just mention Bengal Fest in the Instagram comments. You can also, if you are watching it on Facebook or YouTube, make sure you read the captions. We've put in all the individual product links right there. So yes, this is the stunning next one. It's a shaded saree. Now I'll just come a little close so you all can see it. It has beautiful shades of peach and pink running all along the saree, and it has this lovely modern contemporary zigzag print. A very pretty saree, and this is the pallu. This is how it looks. All these sarees come with a blouse piece. If you like it, go ahead, mention Bengal Fest in our comments on Instagram. Let's move to the next one. So we are also putting showing the saree number on screen. So if you can see right here, you will see a saree number mentioned on the screen. If you cannot find the product link, you can directly go to our website, put in this saree number right there, and you can search the product directly. Okay, now this is the next one. It's a gorgeous shade of blue. It's a grayish blue. It's not a typical blue, English blue color as we call it, and this is the pallu. Very soothing design once again. Let's move to the next one. The next is one of my favorite combinations and one of my favorite prints. So when we got our first Bengal tussar collection, I think it must be in 2018 or 19 is when we got our first Bengal tussar collection, and one of the first designs that I got in Bengal tussars was this beautiful elephant print, and it has remained in our collection since then. The first time we got it, it was in slate grey with a rust border and a black elephant print on it. Then we got it in mustard yellow. Then we got it beige with a black print. Then we also got it in a nice brick red color. So we got different colors of this elephant print, but this particular combination is very interesting. It is mustard with purple mauve kind of a color, and the same color is the elephant motif printed. So yes, this is it. That was a small story about our elephant print Bengal tussars. Let's move to the next one. The next is this stunning charcoal black or slate grey, whatever you choose to call this. It's a beautiful saree, very light, very breathable. The temple design also looks absolutely stunning, and this is the pallu. If you like this one, just mention Bengal Fest in your Instagram comments. If you're watching it on Facebook or YouTube, make sure you just read the caption or go through the description. You will get the direct product links. Let's move to the next one. The next is this. This is the last saree of this video. Beautiful tussar beige color with traditional block print. Very beautiful print and design once again. Very soothing. This is how it looks. This is the pallu. If you have any inquiry or any query related to how to place your orders, you can get in touch with our WhatsApp team. Our WhatsApp team is always here to help you all with your orders. We have just made the process slightly simpler for you this time. You can directly buy these sarees from our website. The website is full of the Bengal Fest collection. Just go to the collections, select Bengal Fest, and you can view the entire collection right there. Stay tuned for many more videos. Thank you.